Okay, to do the setting for the Trident Pro, okay, you need to download the apps Tuya Smart. Okay, so once you go into the apps, you need to log in or register. Okay, and then you go to add device here. Add device. Okay, so you need to enable the location permission first. Okay, and then you go to the security and video. Click Bluetooth lock, this one. Okay, enable Bluetooth network. Okay, next. Okay, you need to be very near to the door locks. Okay, so it will don't allow. Okay, we'll search for the door locks, and then once you pair already, you will look like this. Okay, it will look like this. Okay, this is done. Okay, how to do the setting in the apps? You can go to the member management, add the family members that you want, or others means that is a guest, is not an admin. Okay, and then you can go to opening record is to track, and then you will use more of the set features. Okay, here to set your fingerprint, passcode, cards, and also temporary password. Okay, we start with the password. This password, right, you can actually set it offline without nearby to the door locks. Okay, you can set anytime you want, but you need to use at least once within 24 hours after it takes effect. Okay, or else it will deactivate the password. Okay, you can go to the fingerprint management, just go to add. Okay, choose which user. So before that, you need to create a user first. Okay, Paris. Right, how to collect the fingers? Start collecting. Okay, you will see on the door locks here, the keypad is online.
Please input fingerprint.
Okay, put 5 times.
Please raise up. Please input. Please raise up fingers. Please input again. Please raise up. Please input. Please raise up. Please input. Operation succeed.
Okay, once done, it will show here. Okay, let's click done. Okay, if you didn't set any name, it will show like this. Okay, so same as cards, password as well. Just set a password that you want. You can set the card, just add, and then tap the card on the door locks. Okay, if you've done all the features. Okay, this is the how you're going to unlock and lock the door. Okay, once you close the door, it will lock already, but in order to let the bolt come out, you need to push. Okay, show again.
Unlock.
You need to push the handle to let the bolt come out. Okay, from inside to unlock, just push the handle. Okay, push up to lock, push down to unlock. Okay, and this is the button. Okay, when you switch on, it will deactivate the digital part. Even my fingerprint is registered, it won't unlock. Okay, and then one more thing is you need to stand by the key. Okay, or USB power bank to jumpstart, and then the battery cover just remove from here. Okay, to change the battery every 6 months, use alkaline battery only.